Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna share with you a little payment proof from one of the programs that I'm involved with that I'm super excited about ramping up and really going hard with this to build a nice monthly income. Program I'm talking about is one of my staple programs, and it is the Instant Recall business opportunity. And I'm doing this because I'm just starting to build this business, but I know a lot of people, anytime they see something new or it's new to them, they're like, well, do they really pay? Like, do they really pay you? Is it legit? So I'm doing this to show it's really legit and you can make money with this opportunity. Payment works with Instant Recall is they use what they call a G-Point wallet. G-Point wallet, that's where Instant Recall sends your money, but inside a G-Point wallet is actually points, right? So I posted right here, image that I just got, and it says 8. You see where it says G-Point points? It's you see 8. For every point is $1, right? So once I let this add up over time, hopefully it's gonna grow real nice, right? When there's points in there, those points, when they get transferred over to my bank account, they'll get transferred as dollars, right? So when this number goes from 8 to 80 to 800 to 8,000, those points are dollars. So keep that in mind. Like I said, guys, you see there, it's just $8 from this opportunity, but I'm going super hard. I'm in this for the long term, and I'm going to be updating this opportunity because listen, this is so easy to promote. I'm telling you, this is something that you should just be promoting, even if you ain't even really into like promoting stuff. It's that simple to be able to share this opportunity because a lot of people are going to want to take advantage of this opportunity and build a monthly income. Keep in mind, this is monthly. So this $8, I'll get this every month. And then as it grows and grows and grows, it's an easy damn online business if you ask me. All right. So if you want to get started with Instant Recall, all you need to do is click the first link in the description and it walks you through everything you need to get started and to start making money with Instant Recall. So check it out and start making some money.